Okay, guys, I beat him up in a video game a lot of times, and like he's freaking out. Okay, because my character is way better than his, and like he can't even beat me in the highest proficiency. And even when I go easy on him, he freaks out because he can't beat me, and I've killed him like 200 times. It's a good thing I didn't really keep track of that much, because like, you know, like he freaks out. He's been doing this for an hour now, and I just got the idea to start recording this. Okay, and like I'm a friend from like the other like place, and like this is hilarious. This kid's name